Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Hariom and today we are going to discuss about LTIMINDTREE. In this video, we will discuss latest news, business model, future growth prospect, financials and technical chart pattern. Make sure you stick around till the end for better learning. Appointment of new CEO. On January 24, the company announced Venu Lambu as the new CEO. He will lead the company starting from April 25. We'll discuss about it in the later part. Third quarter financial result. For the quarter ending December 24, LTIMINDTREE reported a 7.39% decline in its net profit, amounting of 1085 crore, which was 1168 crore in the previous year same quarter. Strategic partnership. On Feb 2025, LTIMINDTREE collaborated with Thomas Cook, SOTC Travel, Fairfax Digital Service and Voicing.ai to develop through India's first multilingual, multimodal, agentic voice-enabled Gen AI advisor. On Feb 1725, Eurobank partnered with LTIMINDTREE for a multi-year banking technology program aimed at enhancing digital transformation. This development reflects LTIMINDTREE's ongoing efforts in leadership restructuring, financial performance, strategic partnership and market positioning. Now I'll discuss business model of LTIMINDTREE. LTI and Mindtree on May 6, 2022 announced a proposal to merge LTI and Mindtree through a scheme of amalgamation approved by respective board of the companies. LTIMINDTREE offers digital transformation, IT consulting and technology service to global enterprise, helping them enhance efficiency, reduce cost and improve customer experience. Its value proposition include end-to-end IT solution across industries, cloud, AI and analytics driven digital transformation, industry specific solution including BFSI, retail, manufacturing and healthcare, expertise in ERP, cyber security and automation. LTIMINDTREE serves diverse range of B2B clients across industry include banking, financial services and insurance, retail and consumer packed goods, healthcare and life sciences, manufacturing and automotive, energy and utilities, technology, media and telecommunication. LTIMINDTREE has a presence in 30 plus countries across 5 continents. North America contributes 73% of revenue, Europe contributes 15% of revenue and rest of the world contribute 11% of revenue. Now I'll discuss future growth prospect. First one is digital transformation and cloud growth. By 2027, business around the world will spend $3.9 trillion on digital transformation, giving a big opportunity to LTIMINDTREE. The tie-up with AWS, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud will help it get more projects related to the cloud migration. AI and generative AI adoptions. Businesses are using AI for customer service, data analysis and automations. LTIMINDTREE's Lenny AI and Mosaic AI helps companies to add AI to their work. It's a new strategic partnership between SOTC Travel and Thomas Cook for Through.ai show its focus on technology. BFSI and FinTech expansion. BFSI generate 40% of revenue for LTIMINDTREE. More banks are spending on cybersecurity, AI and cloud banking for risk management. Its long-term deal with Eurobank in Feb 2025 shows a good opportunity in financial services. Expansion into Europe and North America. LTIMINDTREE is growing in US, UK and Europe to get big IT contracts. Its deal with Eurobank and a new purchase in Europe show its plan. Since the US and Europe make up about 75% of its revenue, more growth in this area will unlock the earning in the long run. Merger and acquisition strategy. The 2022 merger made LTIMINDTREE India's 5th largest IT company. Buying AI, cloud and cyber security firm can make it more stronger and L&T's financial strong support make it more growth. Now I'll discuss leadership. Debashish Chatterjee, the former CEO of LTIMINDTREE, played a big role in merging with LTI and Mindtree. With deep experience in AI and digital transformation, he helped the company grow globally and build a partnership in AI and cloud. Venu Lambu, the new CEO from April 2025, will lead the company. He has having a deep experience in AI, cloud and digital transformation. He was previously CEO of Red State Digital. Now I'll discuss financials. LTIMINDTREE has a market cap of 1,40,000 crore with the PE ratio of 30, aligning closely with the industry average of 28, indicating a fair valuation. The company's profitability metrics are impressive with the ROCE of 31.2% and ROE of 25%, so causing a strong capital efficiency. Additionally, it maintains a manageable debt to equity ratio of 0.11, reflecting a financial stability. For March 2024, LTIMINDTREE reported a sales of 35,517 crore, while its trailing 12 months sales stand at 37,129 crore, marking the highest ever revenue. The net profit for FY24 reached 4,585 crore with the TTM net profit of 45,075 crore, indicating a near record performance. The shareholding pattern as of December 24 shows that promoters hold 68.57%, while foreign institutional investors have slightly increased their stake to 7.45% from the 7.39% in September 24. Domestic institutional investors have also raised their holding to 14.88% from 14.79% in the same period. Meanwhile, public shareholding has slightly reduced to 8.96%, which is generally seen as a positive sign. Now I'll discuss technical chart pattern of LTIMINDTREE. Over the past 2 years, LTIMINDTREE has formed a classic curve with handle pattern on the chart. The curve showed a gradual recovery from its low, indicating strong accumulation, while the handle represents a brief consolidation phase, where the stock tested support levels before resuming its uptrend. Interestingly, during the recent dip, the stock found support at its previous handle, reinforcing the strength of this technical setup. The key resistance level was at 6,375, which LTIMINDTREE struggled to break initially. However, on December 10, 2024, the breakout finally occurred, with the stock surging above 6,375. The breakout was further confirmed after third candle closes above the breakout level, adding conviction to the move. To estimate the potential upside, we measure the depth of the curve and project it upward from the breakout level, given the extent of these breakout. If the stock holds above 6,375, it could set the stage for its next leg higher, potentially attracts more buyer as well. So now I'm going to give you homework. Please find out the depth of that curve and put it upward the breakout level, and let me know what will be the price target for the same. Please take this video as a study purpose. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. So that's it for today's analysis. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Trading with Hariom for more in-depth stock analysis. And please let me know in the comment below which stock you would like me to next analyze. See you in the next one. Till time, happy investing.